You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be looking at Bitcoin price, and I have also found out a very important price chart or price pattern that I'm going to show you in this video. So watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified, and don't forget to leave a like for this video. So let's jump right in here. In my previous video, I do analysis on this very pattern, and I say this is impulse and then retracement. So we're supposed to get on that impulse to the downside, maybe create a new low, and I said markets could possibly pause in this area and on this very support level. So what we'll see is market at this level go up a little bit, that is from this area to this level, and we see markets at this point right now. So what are we expecting in the market in the next coming days from now? So right now, if you look at this price chart, the market is at this very point of resistance here, which is support right now, and what we are seeing is a rejection in price at this very level, right here. It's a rejection in price on this candle, although the candle have not finished formation. So what I am expecting in the market is a little bit of increase in volume. So if you look at this volume price right here, you see there's a decrease in volume to the downside from this area down at this level. So this is a decrease in volume, and before Bitcoin will move to the upside, we want to see an increase in volume from this very area right at this point. So this is what I am expecting, number one, to happen on Bitcoin price before I can confirm my entry. I have also found out a very important price pattern, and you need to look at this price pattern very well to take advantage of in the next coming days. So if you draw this trend line from here right down to this area, you discover this is a descending triangular pattern, and descending triangular pattern is a bearish pattern, just like we see around this area in the past. So the same thing is happening right here again on the Bitcoin price. So what I am expecting right now is a breakout on this trend line. So once we see a breakout on this trend line, then that will confirm the markets to go to the upside. So a breakout on this trend line is very, very important. In as much as we know that a descending triangle in a downtrend is a bearish continuation pattern, that means this market could potentially come back down and break this strong support level. These are the two most important levels you need to look out for in the next coming days: this very level of resistance and this very level of support. If you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance at this point, you see the Bitcoin dominance right now is at this very strong support level at this area. So this area of support, market go right up and then come back right down to this support again, and then we are seeing a rejection from this level. So if we see the market move up slightly from this very area to the upside, then we are going to see the market on BTC USDT move slightly to the upside and possibly break this very resistance level. Remember, two things very important: when you are trading breakout, you must allow the candle to close before you take your trade. In this case, we want to see a bullish close on this very resistance level, and also want to see a bearish close on this support level after the breakout before we can confirm that the market have actually breakout and is going to move to the downside. The same thing here, before we can confirm the market has actually breakout and is going to move to the upside. So if market break from here to the upside, then the first target should be this very level of $46,000, and if market break right down, then we're going to take this very area from here to this very level, and then the market is going to go right down to this very area in this very formation to this very level. Okay, so this is what I am expecting in the next coming days. The possibility of the market breaking down exists, but even though market breaks down, I don't think Bitcoin will go right down to this very area. But technically, market could potentially go back down if the market break this very strong support level of 41 and 42k level. So that is what I am looking out for in the next coming days. What do you think the Bitcoin price is going to do in the next coming days? Comment below right now and let's year what your projection is. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a like for this video. If you've not enrolled for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, please check the description of this video and you will see a contact and get in touch with us right now and get trained properly on how to do simple technical analysis. Thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.